This is what your job site might be used to looking at. This is a very old school type of bending machine. It uses a brake shoe motor. Kind of difficult to use the control panel over here. There's no clear labeling. You're not even sure if your three-phase is connected up properly. With our machine, we have made sure to get all of those sorted out and to also give you the option of a automatic bending sequence. So, moving over to ours, we have a true 5 horsepower capacity in this. They currently use a planetary gearbox with premium synthetic oils, which make sure that you have less breakdowns and this machine is always running for longer durations of time. Also, the entire chassis is steel treated to make sure that you have no rust and that this stays in its black condition for as long as it can. These are all the blocks and accessories that are provided with the machine. Make sure that they are away from the machine when you're first testing it out. And to first start it on, you flip up your isolator over here, go around, make sure that all of your emergency switches are off. Then you can either keep it in manual or auto mode, which is over here. And you can either go forward or reverse. And then this is for your polarity. Make sure that you're always keeping the machine on a stable and level ground, and always test with a smaller diameter rebar piece before moving up to, let's say, a 32mm. The machine uses premium Schneider electrical contactors and electricals in over here. So if you ever do have an issue with them and you are off-site and in a very remote location, these are very easy to find and replace on the job site. Each machine gets assembled over here, and we have a quality control inspection team that makes sure that everything's right. Make sure that you have your inspection point sheet that is provided with you in the machine. And please make sure to not mess with any of the timing contacts over here. They have been set while we're testing the machine, and any changes to them could lead to the machine not being able to operate properly. Lastly, our bending machine is truly automatic and truly manual. What I mean by that is that you have a very simple switch over here for automatic or for manual. Now, the way this works is in your manual function with your stepper over here, when you do click it, it will do its desired rotation and then hold over there. When you let go of the stepper, then it will go back to its location. For upkeep and maintenance for your UBM45, we have 3 notes, one for daily, one for weekly, and one for monthly. Daily, you should always check that your pins aren't getting stuck and that they are moving in freely. Make sure that they're also greased so that they don't ever get stuck. Check for any debris on top that shouldn't also get stuck onto the gearbox on top. And make sure that the machine is always clean and on a level ground. For your weekly maintenance, make sure to check your planetary gearbox oil. Make sure that your rollers on the side are moving freely, and also inspect your electrical panel to make sure that all of your wires are connected properly and there's no debris inside of it. For your monthly checkup, make sure to test your external protection system to make sure that this does not get overloaded. Make sure to check all of your emergency switches in the front and on the back and make sure that they're working properly. And take a look again into your electrical panel to make sure that there's not a lot of debris inside, and also check that your contactors are in good condition.